Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are covering the HR budget planning matrices. I have already covered 2 metrics in my previous video. You can easily watch it. Today in this video I am going to cover the next matrix, that is HR budget variance. Here I will cover these 5 questions. What is HR budget variance? Positive versus negative variance? How to calculate HR budget variance? Example calculation and analysis. Component of the formula. Let's start with the meaning of the HR budget variance. It shows the difference between what the HR department plans to spend and what they spend over a certain period. It helps us to understand if the HR department is spending more or less than expected. Simply, we can say it is the difference between the budgeted amount allocated for the human resource expenses and the actual amount spent. This HR budget variance is either positive or negative. If positive variance occurs, it means actual HR expenses are less than the budgeted amount. This could indicate cost saving or underspending in certain HR areas. And if the negative variance occurs, it means the actual HR expenses exceed the budgeted amount. This could indicate overspending or unforeseen cost in HR. When the actual HR expenses are more than the budgeted expenses, the HR department spent more than planned. Basically, this matrix used by the organization to manage and control the HR related costs. It helps in identifying areas where the organization may be spending more or less than anticipated, allowing for adjustment in future budgets and better financial planning. Factors that can contribute to HR budget variance include changes in staffing levels, unexpected recruitments or training costs, variations in employees' benefit expenses, and differences in payroll costs due to raises, bonus, or overtime. There is a simple formula to calculate HR budget variance. HR budget variance equal to actual HR expenses minus budgeted HR expense. This formula contains 2 components, actual HR expenses and budgeted HR expenses. The actual HR expenses are the real costs incurred by the HR expenses such as salaries, benefits, trainings, and recruitments. And the budgeted HR expenses are the planned expenses based on the past data, expected changes, and strategic initiatives. We can easily understand this by a simple example. Imagine a company has a following budget for its HR department for this year: salaries, benefits, trainings, recruitment. By adding all these, we get the total budgeted expenses are $680,000 US. And at the end of the year, the actual HR expenses are salaries, benefits, trainings, and recruitment. By adding all, we get total actual expenses are $715,000 US. If we put this value in the formula, we can easily see the answer is $35,000 US. By this example, we can analyze the HR department spent $35,000 US more than planned, resulting in a negative variance of $35,000 US. This indicates that company exceeded its HR budget. This simple explanation and examples should help you to understand how to calculate and interpret HR budget variance. This is for all today. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.